Number 2 says I'm ordering integers. In other words, I'm going to compare less than and greater than. Less than points to the left. Greater than points to the right. So you want to think about where your numbers are on the number line. If I'm thinking about -2 compared to -1, -2 is on the left of -1. It's going to be less than. If I were comparing, let's say, 2 to -2, 2 is on the right of -2, and it's positive compared to a negative, it's going to be a greater than. So if I'm comparing -10 to -3, -10 would be way down here. It's going to be on the left side. It has a smaller value than -3 does. If I'm at -10 degrees, it's way colder than -3 degrees. If I'm comparing -1 to -4, -1 would be on the right side of -4, which would be over here. Or it'd be a higher temperature. -1 is a higher temperature than -4. Here I'm comparing 7 to -6. Positive number is always going to be greater than a negative number. On the next one then, if I'm comparing -8 to -2, -8 is lower than -2. It's going to be less than. If I'm comparing -5 to -3, again, -5 would be less than -3. It'd be a lower temperature. And comparing 11 to -6, a positive 11 is going to be greater than a negative number every day. So 11 is greater than -6. Number 12, I'm comparing -4 to -12. -4 would be greater than -12. -4 degrees would be a higher temperature than -12 degrees. Comparing -5 to -2. -5 would be less than -2. And if I'm comparing -6 to a positive 12, a negative number is always going to be less than a positive number.